Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the control panel on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need a new control panel for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's control panel contains the touchpad that allows users to select various wash cycles, options, and settings. It interfaces with the dishwasher's control board to initiate the chosen cycle. If the touchpad fails, the buttons on the touchpad may no longer respond. The buttons may stick or short, causing the buttons to act like they are being pressed without user input. First, disconnect power to the dishwasher. If your dishwasher has a power cord, unplug the dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to turn off power at the breaker before disconnecting the wires in the terminal box, which is located underneath the dishwasher. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink plumbing or garbage disposal. Then, feed the drain hose and power cord through the holes in your cabinet as far as they'll go. Next, turn off the water shutoff valve for the water supply line. Next, open the dishwasher's door and remove the screws securing the dishwasher to the countertop. If your dishwasher is side-mounted, remove the screws from the cabinet, which may be located behind the cabinet seal or behind the plastic cap on the side of the dishwasher. You may need to lower the dishwasher's front leveling legs if it is too tight against the countertop. Now slide the dishwasher out from underneath the countertop, being sure to carefully feed both the power cord and drain hose through the holes in the cabinet. If your water line does not have enough slack in it to pull the dishwasher out, disconnect the water line from the house's plumbing and pull out the dishwasher. Or, if you're able to access the back of the dishwasher, use an adjustable wrench to disconnect the water inlet line from the dishwasher. Then, using a Phillips-headed screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the lower kick plate to the dishwasher's frame. Next, remove the power up cover from the front panel using a Phillips-headed screwdriver. Then, untwist the wire nuts and free the wires. Next, unscrew the strain relief from the power cord and remove the power cable. Carefully flip the dishwasher onto its back on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. The base cover is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher. Using a Phillips-headed screwdriver, remove the screw holding the base cover. Then, depress the four locking tabs located here on the base cover to remove it. Carefully pull the cover away from the dishwasher as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Next, gently but firmly pull on the wire to disconnect the leakage sensor microswitch. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the cover onto the main control board. The control board is plugged into the main control board here. Depressing the locking tab, gently pull to remove the connector. Then, using wire snips, cut the zip tie here, holding the cables. The front cover is held onto the dishwasher's frame by 6 screws. Using a Phillips-headed screwdriver, remove all 6 screws and lift the front cover up and off the dishwasher. Then, carefully remove the tape holding the control panel cable. Set the front panel back into place without the screws. Next, flip the dishwasher back upright. Twist the vent cover counterclockwise to remove it. If you cannot remove it with your fingers, you may need to use a pair of pliers to help grab onto it. Be careful not to damage the cover. Using a T15 Torx bit, remove the 14 screws on the inner door panel. Then, gently lift the inner door panel. Note when doing this for the first time, the sound insulation will tear as it is glued to the inner door panel. Be careful as it is still connected by electrical connectors. Then, gently pull on the wires, disconnecting the door switch. Next, remove the two electrical connectors connecting the dispenser by depressing the locking tabs and gently pulling the wires. Then, pull back the tape on the inner door panel and remove the wires, and set the door aside. Next, gently pull on the control panel cable out from under the door bracket. Then, gently lift on the control panel to remove it from the outer door panel. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry up on the control panel. When doing so, be careful not to scratch or damage the door. Next, depress both of the locking tabs on the door switch to remove it from the control panel. If you need to purchase a new control panel, you can check out our website, partsfactor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the door switch to the door panel and press into place. Align the control panel to the outer door and press into place. Then, slide the cable for the control panel under the door bracket. Align the inner door panel to the outer door panel and set into place. Next, install both electrical connectors to the dispenser. Then, reconnect the door switch. Next, reinstall the screws to the door. Note that the 4 long screws go into the top middle 4 slots. Then, align the vent cover to the slot and screw it into place. Next, carefully flip the dishwasher onto its back. Then, remove the front panel and set the control panel cable in place. Then, align the front panel to the frame of the dishwasher, ensuring all the cables are laying flat underneath it. Next, reinstall the 6 screws to the front panel. Then reconnect the control panel cable to the main control board. Using a zip tie to resecure all of the wires. Then align the cover to the main control board and reinstall the 2 screws. Then reconnect the electrical connector to the base cover and align the base cover to the frame of the dishwasher and screw into place. Next, align the power cable to the lower power cover and secure in place with the strain relief. Join the 2 black wires together. It is best to have approximately 1/8 inch of stranded wire above the solid wire. Note, when using wire nuts, you should not pre-twist the wires. Then insert the pairing into one of the wire nuts and twist to secure. Repeat the same steps to connect the white wires. Repeat the same steps to connect the green wires. Gently tug on the wires to be sure both are secured. Then reinstall the power cover and reinstall the screw. Then flip the dishwasher back upright. Then align the front kick plate to the dishwasher and screw into place. To reinstall, begin by installing the water inlet line to the back of the dishwasher. Or, if you have to disconnect the water inlet line from the house's plumbing, feed the water line through the bottom hole in the cabinet and reconnect it to that plumbing. With the dishwasher near the cabinet, feed the drain hose through the holes located towards the top of the cabinet and feed the power cord through the lower hole. Now push the dishwasher back a few inches underneath the countertop and continue feeding the drain hose and power cord through the cabinet. Repeat until the dishwasher is in place. With the dishwasher's door open, align the holes in the mounting brackets with the pre-existing screw holes on the underside of the countertop or the screw holes in the cabinet if using the side mounting option. You may need to extend the dishwasher's front leveling legs to ensure a tight fit against the countertop. Then reinstall the 2 mounting bracket screws. Reconnect the drain tube to the sink, plumbing, or garbage disposal. Now plug in your dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to reconnect the wires in the terminal box and restore power by flipping the breaker. And last, turn on the water valve. Finally, test the dishwasher and check for any leaks. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.